hmongcreations.etsy.com. This is where you can purchase my Hmong tie clip for standard size ties, and it's $20 plus $4 shipping. Is my flat rate shipping is $4. So if you get a couple of them, the shipping will still be just $4. The tie clip itself is silver plated, and then the spirit lock is second silver, and I do use industrial strength glue to glue them together. I have not yet had one complaint about it falling apart, so if you do buy it and it falls apart, just message me. I could definitely give you a refund or send you another one. It is about 2.5 inches wide, as you can see there. The standard size tie is about 3 inches to 3.5 inches. So that's why I decided to make it 2.5 inches, so it's just perfect for any pretty much standard tie. Here's the back of the clip. Some people were interested in how it looked like in the back, so that's how it looks like. Storage, a lot of questions about storage. So if you keep your tie clip in a Ziploc bag, it should last you a very long time. To prevent it from tarnishing, to prevent all my items from tarnishing, my second silver and silver plated items, I keep them in Ziploc bags, and even sometimes double Ziploc bags. So I'll put it in one Ziploc bag and then I'll put it in another Ziploc bag. I don't know if it matters, but my bags are the freezer type Ziploc bags, and I think those keep the air out best. So you want to keep it sealed so that no air will get in there. You want to keep it away from moisture, so anywhere hot or where it in the sun where it could build moisture inside the bag, you don't want to keep it there. Kind of keep it in your closet or in your bathroom should be fine. In the light is fine too, just make sure you keep it in a bag. So hopefully that helps answer some of your questions about the men's tie clip. And again, you can get it at hmongcreations.etsy.com. That's ETSY, no, Etsy, yeah, .com. So thanks for watching. Bye.